Hello, my name's Peggy Maddox. I'm from Kids on the Land. Perhaps you've heard of our Kids on the Land programs. Maybe you had a brother or sister or a friend who's been to one of our presentations. With third graders here in Seymour, we are so sorry we are not going to get to see you this spring. But since you can't come to us, we want to come to you with some of our video presentations. At Kids on the Land, we have a mission. We have a job. We want you to learn about the place where you live. Why do we think that's important? Well, if you learn about the land where you live, especially the land in your environment, you'll want to take care of it. And to take care of a place, you have to know it. And to know it and be willing to take care of it, you have to love it. When I began teaching school in the public school systems, I found that my students didn't know much about the place where they were living. So I decided I'd teach them about it. They seemed to know something about rainforests in South America or maybe polar bears in the Arctic, but not about the place where they were living. And I thought it was important to teach them because if we know our place, then maybe we'll all take care of it and it'll be good for all of us. So let's see, Seymour third graders, what do you know about the place where you live? I know all of you know the state you live in. Of course, you live in Texas. And I bet you know the county you live in. It's right up here in red. Baylor County, that's right. But do you know who your county is named for? It's Henry Wigner Baylor. He was a surgeon in the Texas Rangers in the war with Mexico way back in 1848, around 173 years ago. Your county is named for a Texas hero. But let's think about this whole area where you are in Baylor County. It's called an ecoregion. This word, eco, is from the Greek language, means home, and region is an area of land or water that is similar. Perhaps it has same plants or climate, wildlife, or even soils. So what ecoregion are you living in? Well, think about your landscape. So here's a map of Texas as the 11 ecoregions, and you live up here, Baylor County. This brown area is your ecoregion. Now, what is it about where you live that's different from these other 10? You don't live in a forest. No, you don't live down by the ocean. What is your landscape like? You can see far off in the distance beautiful sunrises. You can see wonderful sunsets. You live on the plains of West Texas, grasslands, there's farmland. The name of your ecoregion is the Rolling Plains of Texas. It's a beautiful place. So now, third graders, we've learned a little more about the place where you live. You know now your county was named for Mr. Baylor, who was a surgeon in the Texas Rangers during the Mexican War with the U.S. in 1848. You also know now that you live in the ecoregion of what? Rolling Plains, that's right. So we hope you enjoyed this video presentation, and we'll have more for you. And next year, we hope to meet you out on the Rolling Plains at the Donnell Ranch. Thank you.
Kids on the land, kids on fossils and history of what's happened before. This world is a spinning and it's only beginning. Will there always be room for more? Sure! Kids on the land, kids on the land. Learn about this world starting right where you stand.